Alright, Peter. So I decided to put a video too, to maybe like explain to you like where I'm seeing from. Well, these are some of the drawings that I were drawing earlier before I asked you. And sorry for the shaky camera. I'm using my phone. I don't have any mounting device. So, okay, so this is the first the rod they were talking about, right? So you have a rod, and then you draw a hole on each side to break it in half, right? So, um, and then they said this shape that cut out by the drilling two holes would make like one side, what was it? To look it up again, sorry. So one shape round profile and the other one, so one round profile from the top, round profile from one side, and square profile from the other, right? So what I'm having trouble is like where is that square coming from, you know? So the next step I did was try to see like first I made the half, this half of the what do you call it, half of the cylinder. So I laid it out, you know, like here's a X and Y, and then this Z is coming out from the paper to make it look like, you know, 3D. So this will be the height. So if this is coming up to this height, and so that'll make a half cylinder, right? And then you drill a hole in here. So since this is a half cylinder at the bottom, it's the bottom, like when the Z is at 0, you will have a complete half circle. And as it comes up, I don't know what shape, this will be at the top. So do you see what I'm saying? It'll be half a circle at the bottom, and as it come up, it'll kind of look like this, right? Right. So this will be the bottom, and this will be like another half circle, kind of like curving from this half cylinder. So kind of look like this. And then this is I try to draw this two cylinder intersecting each other. And remember, first I said it'll create a spear. That's where I got this idea of creating a spear in the middle. So when you told me to draw one, so I really drew one. So here's this one. Maybe I think I showed you this, right? So it'll punch through here. The rod B will go into A here, and creating a circle from looking at from this view. And of course, if you look at from the top, it'll create a square, but if you look at from top, yeah, it'll create a curve. So which will kind of look like this, right? So you got side coming from here, here, and here, and then you intersect another rod from here, and then you kind of create this like a spear type of shape. See what I'm saying? And yeah, that's where I'm stuck. I don't see where the square that you're talking about comes from. I mean, if you look at from, like, let's say put in a 2D, and sorry, my hand's really shaking. Drink like 2 cups of coffee. So this is round profile, and I mean, if you go back here, so I mean, I understood when you first said, you know, if you look, okay, this is my water bottle. If you look at the cylinder, like from like this, okay, so I cut it here, and then yeah, I can see the square here. But you're putting another rod like this, half of it, not like in through it, you know, like the half, like jeez. Okay, so let's say this thing goes through here, but not like through in the middle, but one from this side, which will make this part, and then another one coming from here, which is this part, right? And so it's cut off. So like half of it goes here, and then it's cut off. So if you look at from this angle, it's like round, it's gone. And I turn it this way, and it's like, is this what you're talking about, like making a square? Boom. But I'm thinking it'll kind of make it round shape, right? Not instead of a square. I mean, if you look at it from here, I don't know. Okay, so that's my understanding so far.